In this tutorial, I will show you how to make glitch effect on text using Photoshop. So, let's get started. Type the text over which you want to apply the glitch effect. From this character property, you can choose any font you want. I have chosen the Eberma Bold font for this project. You can change the size of the text as per your requirement. I have set the font size 392. Now, select the text layer. Press Ctrl or Command+J to duplicate the text layer. Press right-click on the text layer and choose Blending Options. Or double-click on the text layer to open the blending options. In Advanced Blending Options, uncheck the green and hit OK. Now, use the Move tool to move this layer to the left. Hold Shift and press the left arrow key to move this layer to the left side. Press Ctrl or Command+J to duplicate the text layer. Double-click on the layer to open the blending options. This time check the green and uncheck the red from the Advanced Blending Options. Then hit OK. Use the Move tool to move this layer to the right. So, hold Shift and press the right arrow key 2 times to move this layer to the right side. Now, merge all this 3 text layer. So hold Shift and select all 3 layers and press the shortcut Ctrl or Command+E to merge these layers. Now, let's create the glitch effect. Select the rectangular marquee tool. Make a selection on the text layer. Select the Move tool to move the selection. Hold the Shift plus right arrow key to move the selection right side. I am using Shift to move the selection because it shifts 10 pixels at a time, so it's very fast to move the selection. Move it as per your requirement. Press Ctrl or Command+D to deselect. Again, make a selection on the text layer. Press shortcut V to select the Move tool. Now, hold Shift plus left arrow key to move the selection left side. Press Ctrl or Command+D to deselect. Now, repeat the same process on the remaining text. I am speeding up this process to save some time. If you have any question regarding this video, feel free to ask in comment box. To make our design more attractive, we can also make glitch effect in the background as shown in the video. I have used different sizes of rectangles and shapes to make this glitch effect in the background. If you liked my video, then hit like and subscribe to my channel and press the bell icon to get a notification on every new video on my channel. You can also follow me on Instagram. The link is in the description box. You can also watch other tutorials on my channel.